Hello everyone, I'm Michael.
And I'm Alex.
And today is our second video related to displays. In previous video we tested out round display, and in this video we will test out epaper display.
This is a display called epaper module designed by WeAct Studio. We ordered in AliExpress, and link to that display will be in below this video.
Yes, so for testing we will be using the same ESP12F microcontroller. So yeah, we will connect it to a laptop through micro USB to USB-A, and again our kind of converter.
So yes, in this step we already connected this device to the ESP32 microprocessor. So I will show a bit closer this wiring. So, and it has standard connector. So in this case, for the display you don't have to wire someone because it has connector pin is already connected. All these things,
which is very convenient for testing, at least maybe in some cases for even some device deployment.
Yes.
So
and now let's test. Let's connect it to the PC using USB interface. Everything how to set up your Arduino Studio was already presented in a previous video. You can find it also below this video because it's series regarding different displays from AliExpress. And we also prepared a test file to run code on this display and show some things. This code will be put to the GitHub, and GitHub repo link also will be below this video, so you can order test and use the same code by your own.
Yes.
Now you can see our screen. So first of all, to run this code, you have to go to the library section and find library called GX-EPD2 by Jean-Marc Zing. And here is a remove button in my code because I already installed it, but you have to install this latest version of this library. After it will be installed, you have to press this button to verify and compile this file. And after that, you can upload this code to your ESP32, and this screen should run. So that's pretty easy.
Yes.
Now, as you see, it's a compiling sketch showing progress. It's connecting to the device and writing code to the ESP32.
Yes, you can see our USB is blinking, so the code is and the program compiled is uploading to microcontroller, and soon we will be able to see display will start to work. So as you can see, it's already showing some test data. This is test program. It displays different texts and also shows capabilities of this display to kinda refresh only partial part of display, not the whole display, but this one supports partial refresh, so it's more
it's extremely low power.
Yes.
It can remain so epaper it can remain some image even without power at all. So if we will disconnect our device from the power, it remain the image which currently is in the display. So it can be used with various IoT appliances, for example some electronic price signs for shops or some different things that can run very long without any power source, or use small battery to, let's say, run for many years.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's overall it is. We will add the wiring diagram. Most likely it will be like photo of how we wired display to our microcontroller, so you will be able to do the same steps if you would like to repeat our success.
Yes, and generally we can recommend this device because we tested it and we have no problems with it. So the screen is the whole screen is working. There are no broken pixels. And firmware also works very well.
Yes, and very good plus of this display is that it has this partial update. So it's a very big advantage of epaper displays. Not all of them have this support of partial update. And when you're buying some, take in account also this point that they
Yes.
can be partially updatable or only full update.
Of course, price is also higher for such
Yes.
type of displays, but so you have to always consider all pluses and minuses. If you have some constant power source, maybe you should better prefer some standard display, LCD or OLED. But
Yes.
in case if you have some IoT appliances with the limited power source, some batteries, then you can consider this type of the display.
Yes, but also you can consider these displays that have partial refresh for like better UI. There are different also refresh rates of epaper displays. Some of them have very slow refresh rates, and like drawing the image or text by blinking multiple times, and it might take quite long time. Some of them can do it like in less than a second, which is kind of very fast for epaper displays, and this also is very important for end user. For example, if you will use it for some device, I don't know, IoT device or something, maybe it will be important to have this like faster refresh rate, so it will be more prettier for end user and
More user-friendly.
Yes, more user friendly. And in case you need to refresh only one part of display, other part will still display the previous information, and for user it will be like much also user
More
friendly,
convenient.
more
Yes.
convenient. So it's very depends on case. In case of like price tags in
Maybe some temperature sensor to show
Yes.
current temperature, which not, let's say, changes very
Yes,
fast,
or
and
price-
humidity.
Yes, or price tags in shops. There is like no big deal how fast it refreshes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, okay, thank you for your attention and see you.
See you next video. Bye.